Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to cover React Virtual DOM. So DOM is Document Object Model. It is a programming interface for HTML and XML documents. It represents the page so that programs can change the document structure, style, and content. The DOM represents the document as nodes and objects. So when I said represents node, so the whole document is a main node, and everything like all HTML elements are element nodes. So let me show you this diagram um, right here. So let's say this is a tree and every branch, and then we got a lot of nodes. So if you update this node, then the virtual DOM is not going to update the whole file. It will only update the specific node. So it is really efficient, and when you have a huge app, huge programs, then when you make a changes, you you will be only updating that specific thing, that specific node, instead of updating the whole program. So companies save a lot of time, a lot of money. Um, it's really efficient. So the virtual DOM is an abstraction of the HTML DOM. It is a lightweight and detached from the browser-specific implementation details. So let me do this coding real quick and show you um, how it works. I'm going to create this counter app, and our like numbers will increment. Counter will increment after every second. So you will get the better idea. So let me create this. Let me delete all of this first. Let me create counter equals to 0, and then counter. I'm incrementing counter here, and then I'm going to put counter in this paragraph. So I will be incrementing counter with the help of this function called method called set interval. It you need to pass 2 parameters in there. I will name it like show, and then you need to set a time. So 1000 ms microsecond is equal to 1000 microsecond is equal to 1 second. Alright, and let me put this whole thing inside of a function. Function show, right? And there you go. Everything looks great so far. We are calling our element here, and we are incrementing our counter. We are displaying our counter, and document.getElement.id is root. So as soon as I save my page, it should, okay, we got something going on over here. I was missing semicolon here. What else? It looks like it's more than one thing. Wow. Okay. Counter is not. Come on, dude. Alright. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's incrementing after every 1 second. So you can control it too. You can say, oh, I want to increment it after every 2 seconds. So now it's going to refresh 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So after every 2 seconds, it's incrementing. And let me um, use H1 to make it bigger and a little bit bold. There you go, 1, 2, perfect. So yeah, guys, this is it. I hope you learned something and got something out of this video. Thank you very much.